Howdy, y'all. Just wanted to do an update on 22 ammo I've been testing. Alright, so last time I went and tested, I tested some Mini Mag Target, Automatch, TAC-22, and the blue Aguila and the red Aguila. And we decided those were no good. The TAC-22 seemed to be okay. Not too bad, and the Automatch wasn't too bad, but the Mini Mags targets, I mean, obviously gave me one of the best groups of 5/8 of an inch here. Where we got 5/8, got a 700 here, and then T22 I got an 880, the best I got out of it. So. And this was straight out of the box, no sorting whatsoever. So today we went and shot some sorted of the top three here. We won't buy a Aguila anymore unless we just need some ammo for some reason. But anyway, so let me get my stuff. Okay, so way I do my sorting, obviously I got one of these. I know you can buy them. I made my own. I have a standard that I use that's 43 thousandths rim there, and that's what I've got it set at, 43 thousandths. So when I'm sizing, this was 2 thousandths under that. So basically that's 40. These rims are 41. Those are 40. And those are 39 and less. So that's how I'm doing it. You know, if it's 2, that means it was 2 under. If it was 1, it was 1 under. And yes, I do had some that was 1. And it's strange, I guess, in a way. Anyway, this is the 2. Correct? Yes. This was all the 2. It just was shooting everywhere. Awful today. Couldn't get a group at all. So I tried the 3s. Not really any better. So I went to the Federal Automatch, and the majority of it was 2. And this is the groups I got with it. It's not too bad. I then shot the TAC-22. Now when I sorted it, I bought 4 boxes off the shelf, came home and sorted them. They was either 3 or 4. Here's the 3. I finally started getting something to resemble a group today. And it's like, well, you know, let me try the 4s just for the heck of it. And here I've got 5 shots, 5 shots, 5 shots, 5 shots, 5. You know, it actually did the best today. So, kind of wondering if I need to go back and test the Mini Mags at 4+, and I also have some Federal. It's in my tool. No, it's not. It's in here. This was 4+. Just see if my gun likes the rim smaller. So we may do that on the next trip out. But what we ended up doing was today I shot these targets, and I shot 4 different challenge targets. And what I would do is I had this target up there, and I would shoot, you know, these all of these here, and once I got that done, and it's like, okay, that's good and seasoned, then I shot the target with it, whichever challenge target I was using, and actually three of them were shot with this. Was shot with Federal. 2 of them were shot with Federal, what I call 2, and these were actually 1, and I'm expecting these to really shoot great. I actually shot like crap compared to the 2s. So that's what I'm saying. It's kind of wondering if my gun likes a smaller rim. So we need to do a little bit more testing on that. So anyway, I've got obviously these 2 targets I'm going to do in this video, and then I've got 4 challenge targets coming up, and I'll do them one at a time. Well, actually no, I'm going to do the alien targets in one video. So alright, that's all I got to say. Is just another range report, another day out shooting and having fun. Thanks for watching.